Oh god.
Or is currently
Okay,
being
I'm ready for the coffee machine story. It's better be good. It's good? Yeah? Okay, good. Oh my god. It's
stored
good? Okay.
in the second floor personnel break room and is monitored by 2 guards of security clearance level 3 at all times.
Okay.
Description: Item SCP-294 appears to be a standard coffee vending machine, the only noticeable difference being an entry touchpad with buttons corresponding to an English QWERTY keyboard.
Okay.
Upon depositing 50 cents US currency into the coin slot, the user is prompted to enter the name of any liquid using the touchpad.
Oh,
Upon doing so, a standard 12-ounce paper drinking cup is placed and the liquid indicated is poured.
that's
Only
nice.
7 initial test runs were performed, including requests for water, coffee, beer, and soda.
Seems pretty normal.
Non-consumable liquids such as sulfuric acid,
Pretty lit.
wiper fluid, and motor oil, as
Oh, okay.
well as substances that do not usually exist in liquid state, such as nitrogen, iron, and glass.
What?
And each one
I want
returned
this thing.
success. Test runs with solid materials such as diamond have failed,
Ooh.
however, as it appears that SCP-294 can only deliver substances that can exist in a liquid state.
That makes sense.
It is of note that after approximately 50 uses, the machine would not respond to further requests. After a period of approximately 90 minutes, the machine seemed to have restocked itself.
Okay.
It is also interesting to note that many caustic liquids that would have eaten through a normal paper cup seem to have no effect on the cups dispensed by the machine.
It's a pattern for a lot of cannons. It's a moment period era where everything bursts and the Foundation can no longer give themselves and anomalies of what the heck? That's funny.
Testing is ongoing.
That's just the way of life.
As suggested, SCP-294 was moved to the second floor personnel break room as a money-saving venture. Following Incident 294-01, guards were stationed at the item and a security clearance became necessary to interact with it.
Oh god. Doesn't seem bad though.
SCP-294-A regarding Incident 294-1. On August 21st, 2005, Agent Joseph attempted to use item SCP-294 to obtain coffee during his allocated break time at 9:30 a.m. at the request of Agent to see what it would do. Requested
It's creepy.
a cup of Joe from the item.
Okay.
Moments after confirming the selection, Agent Joseph began to sweat profusely and complained of dizziness before collapsing.
Oh, okay.
After moving the unconscious agent
Not
to the
sus.
infirmary, the medical team recovered the contents of the cup dispensed by item SCP-294, a combination of blood, tissue, and other bodily fluids.
Ugh.
Testing revealed the DNA sequence of the biological material dispensed by SCP-294 matched that of Agent. Agent made a complete recovery after 4 weeks of rest and
I'm sorry, I would not take anything from an SCP. I'm good.
intravenous
He said a cup of Joe. Like that.
hydration. X-rays and CAT scans showed no further signs of injury. And
You just say a cup of Joe.
both agents were reprimanded. Additional security measures for SCP-294 have been recommended. Addendum SCP-294-F. After reviewing documentation on SCP-294, suggested testing SCP-294's ability to retrieve specific liquids from a distance. Addendum SCP-294-H. With the overseeing of O5, a cup of SCP-75 secretion was used as input. The product was proven to be the requested liquid, and the cup was able to successfully contain the material. However, the report for Incident 075-7 was acknowledged 2 hours after the test. See Addendum SCP-75-M. A containment procedure breach had occurred exactly the same time this test was taking place, waking SCP-75 to its active stage. It was able to secrete an amount of basic solution equal to the capacity of a coffee cup before emergency containment procedure was applied and it was rendered passive. The liquid was not found in post-incident investigation. Addendum SCP-294-I. Researcher punched in request for cup of gold.
Okay.
The machine dispensed a cup of molten gold.
Ah.
Researcher requested similar precious materials with the same result.
Ah.
Addendum SCP-294-J. Researcher punched in from a safe range, request for cup of anti-water.
The heck?
The machine hummed briefly, then displayed out of range on entry pad. It is theorized that SCP-294 has a limited range of collection and cannot reach into alternative universes or dimensions.
Okay, fair.
Addendum SCP-294-K. Researcher punched in request for diamond. SCP-294 briefly hummed, then displayed out of range on entry pad.
Okay.
SCP-294 gives this result for all solid substances, as diamond is a solid crystalline form
Yep,
of
we knew
carbon.
that.
It appears that the machine will not dispense liquid carbon, as this does not result in a diamond. When a cup of carbon was subsequently punched in, the machine dispensed a cup of liquid carbon. SCP-294 was immune to the damaging effects of the dispensed liquid.
Nice.
Addendum SCP-294-M. Testing for range of SCP-294's capacity for retrieval has been initiated. A unique compound has been formulated composed of undisclosed ratios, brand bleach, brand cola,
That's such a creepy sound.
METRX powder, and garam masala. The fluid was created and placed in a sealed container 25 meters away from SCP-294. When requested, the fluid was dispensed. An equal amount of the mixture was no longer present in its original container. Addendum SCP-294-01. Researcher under observation of Level 4 personnel keyed in a request of the best drink I've ever had.
Okay.
SCP-294 dispensed a fluid similar in appearance to cola.
Okay,
Researcher
that's weird.
identified it as a mixed drink. He recalls having an
First of all, I don't agree. That's not the best drink ever. Am I the only person in the world who doesn't like cola?
bar during his bachelor party and was convinced it was the best drink.
Oh.
Did not know what ingredients were in the drink besides rum and cola. Further tests are scheduled to ascertain how SCP-294 gathers information.
Yeah, how's he know that?
Addendum SCP-294-01A. Under the same conditions, Agent, the best drink I've ever had. SCP-294 delivered a dark fluid topped with a white foam, which was later identified as Vienna lager. The cup was printed with a color picture of 5 men and 2 women drinking beer on a beach. Was one of them. In his briefing, Agent confirmed his favorite drink ever was a Vienna lager he consumed at the beach with his friends. It has now been confirmed that SCP-294 has the ability to directly gather
that's
information
creepy.
from someone's mind in order to comply with the given conditions. Addendum SCP-294-Q-1. Subject keyed the perfect drink. The machine dispensed a cup containing
I could never do
odorless
this if I was a
lavender
scientist.
liquid. After drinking the liquid, subject appeared to go into shock.
Oh.
Subject later committed suicide, leaving a note which read, "I'm sorry, but at this point, everything's just one big letdown."
Oh.
Requesting such a drink again is highly discouraged. None of the components of the drink have yet been identified.
Why do you guys keep drinking it?
Addendum 294-T1. The subject keyed in something Cassie will like. The device was heard to hum for about 3 seconds before dispensing an empty cup. Printed on the side of the cup was an image of a traditional soda fountain glass filled with something brown and topped with whipped cream.
Oh.
Upon introduction to SCP-85, it was identified by her as a chocolate banana milkshake and judged delicious.
What the heck?
Addendum SCP-294-W. Researcher keyed in a request for a cup of music. SCP-294 produced a clear sparkling fluid that tasted vaguely alcoholic.
Okay.
Following ingestion, subject reported feeling and not hearing a continuous rhythm, and demonstrated the ability to move and even dance with a certain fluidity that he had not previously shown.
What?
Testing on other abstract.
Actually, maybe we should drink it. I'm just joking. Don't drink this, guys. Just in case. But like, honestly, it's kind of cool.
Concepts is continuing. Addendum SCP-294-AB.
That means I'd be like, give me a cup of art or drawing or something, and I'll become like the best artist ever, right? Maybe not the best,
During
but
a mass security breach, Agent requested a cup of pertinent medical knowledge
okay.
while taking shelter inside the second floor break room. Of the 4 agents in the room, Agent was the only one who was not injured.
Oh God.
SCP-294 poured a cup of clear green liquid. Following the
Yep,
ingestion of
doubly
this
safe.
substance, Agent began mending other agents' wounds in a manner consistent with Foundation medical training. Agent no longer has the medical training that the liquid provided, and other attempts to recreate the effect have failed.
Wait, why?
The agent has speculated that this event was an emergency measure taken by the object to ensure self-preservation. Addendum SCP-294-AC. Dr. requested my life story from SCP-294.
What the heck? How's this gonna work?
SCP-294 made humming noises and shook violently for approximately 3 minutes
Cool.
before providing a highly viscous, opaque black liquid.
Honestly, makes
Upon
sense.
consumption, Dr. reported that he remembered everything that had ever happened to him. Following this test, Dr. entered his office and returned 48 hours later with a 538-page autobiography. Addendum SCP-294-AD. Researcher-produced request consisting solely of the phrase, "Surprise me." Device produced an opaque cup containing normal water, later determined to have been heated to approximately 200 degrees Celsius. Upon receiving vibration from transport, the contents of the cup turned into steam, violently spraying boiling water in a 2-meter radius. Addendum SCP-294-AF. Researcher-produced request for...
I feel like I get the idea of how this thing works, but it's kind of insane what it can do, you know? He said surprise me, he really did. This thing is crazy, though. I was like, what the heck is one little coffee machine gonna do? Well, sure proved me wrong.
Blood of Christ. SCP-294 vibrated and produced the message, Hic Anum Calix Sanguis Mei, then produced a paper drinking cup containing approximately 0.12 liters of red grape wine. Addendum SCP-294-AG.
Smart.
Researcher produced requests for cup of Smilodon blood, cup of passenger pigeon blood, and cup of Thomas Jefferson's blood.
That's weird.
And received 3 out-of-range errors.
Makes sense.
Addendum SCP-294-AH. A D-Class personnel with IQ of 99 and low curiosity scores was given written instructions about what to request.
RIP.
D-Class personnel produced a request for blood of Canis lupus and received a cup of liquid subsequently identified as wolf blood.
Nice.
The D-Class personnel next produced a request for saliva of Equus ferus caballus and received a cup of liquid subsequently identified.
Okay. Do you have to say scientific ideologies for this though? Like, does that really matter in this case? It's not like the coffee machine's a scientist, like, because at the end of the day, scientists, like, you know, words are just made up words, just like anything else. Just seeing what all, yeah, I get that. It's just like, it's just interesting that scientists always gotta I don't know. Maybe it's just my days of science class. So I just hated it. I'm just like, just say wolf, bro. Why does it be Canis lupus? But I mean, to see how much it knows. That honestly makes sense though. It's pretty smart though. The fact that it knows what it means and then, you know, it produces like the right animal.
As horse saliva. The D-Class personnel next produced a request for urine of Phascolarctos cinereus and received a cup of liquid subsequently identified as koala urine.
This thing's smart.
D-Class personnel next produced a request for cerebrospinal fluid of Phoberomys pattersoni and received a cup of liquid.
Yeah, it's really interesting.
Analysis. It is to be noted that Phoberomys pattersoni went extinct during the late Miocene epoch,
Pattersoni.
approximately 8 million years ago.
Oh.
Addendum SCP-294-AI. Dr. King produced a request for a cup of room temperature superconductor and received a cup of apple juice with seeds floating in it.
Oh.
Addendum SCP-294-AJ. Dr. Menchu produced request for cup of D151839's
There you go.
leukemia and received a cup of fluid.
Ugh.
The fluid was microscopically examined and found to contain leukemic blast
What?
cells, which were a genetic match to D151839. A second request for cup of D151839's leukemia resulted in an out-of-range error.
Oh.
D151839 was subsequently found to be free of leukemia. However, within 15 days, the leukemia had recurred.
Oh.
Other SCP-294 experiments are currently awaiting approval.
What the heck?
You can look forward to a future lecture with a lot more experiments. I know you guys love that, right?
What?
I think that about does it for today.
No!
Thank you very much for listening. If indeed you still
Wait,
are,
that was interesting.
and you are all dismissed.
Oh.
Goodbye.
Oh, yes, sir. What the heck? That was so cool, chat. What is all this? Tactical technology, Seminole technology, Nosfric. This is like some different language I'm reading. Oh my gosh. No, that was really interesting, chat, though. This is interesting, though. I was expecting it to play out like that, by the way. I thought it was gonna be... It's probably, it depends on, like, what I'm watching as well. But I was expecting it to be worded like that, This one's just a whole bunch of experiments. That's really cool. I like that stuff. That was really interesting. Now I'm gonna go into a deep dive about SCPs. And now my brain's gonna mesh into... How many are there again? Thanks for recommending me this. I didn't expect for it to be so... I don't know. It's a lot. It's a lot, but it's interesting, I can't wait. I'm kind of scared. That was your first one you guys saw, too? Like one of your first SCPs you guys learned about? That's kind of wild. It didn't seem bad, though. It seemed kind of cool.